Have you ever watched the world slow down from the gentle sway of a boat? Today, Esiz, I took you on your very first rocking boat ride. Your tiny hands gripped my finger as we floated softly across the water, the sun painting your golden hair and your blue eyes wide with wonder. I hummed a lullaby, and you nestled into my arms, soothed by the rhythm of the waves. Remember, always hold your little one close and keep them safe with a snug life jacket. Every day with you is a new page in our story, a story where I'm learning how to be a father. As I document these priceless moments, I invite you to be part of our journey. Your like is a warm memory we save, and your subscription means you'll be here for the next chapter. Share this adventure with us.